भर्गोदेवस्य तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गोदेवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Namaskar dear students and good morning. In this video we'll see class 9 English chapter number 4, A Truly Beautiful Mind, Albert Einstein. Question answer discussion. Let's see first of all the summary of the chapter and then we go forward for the question answer discussion. Right dear students? Come on. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1839 in German city of Ulm. He had a large head and his mother thought that he was a freak. He was not very talkative. He was never liked by his playmates. They often called him, his friends, his classmates or playmates, called him Brother Boring. Albert had special interest in mechanical toys. He loved playing violin. He was sent to a school in Munich. He was good in his life. He was good at studies, but he felt suffocated there. His headmaster believed that he would never succeed in his life. He wanted to study at a university in Zurich, where the system was more liberal. He went there and got distinction in physics and mathematics. He met a fellow student, Mileva Maric, in the university. Later on, he married Mileva. Albert and Mileva had 2 sons, but their marriage failed and finally divorced in 1919. Albert worked as a technical expert in a patent office. He continued working on his idea on relativity. In 1915, he published his special theory of relativity and became world famous. Einstein received the Nobel Prize in 1921 for his contribution. In 1933, Einstein immigrated to the United States. 5 years later, the German scientists in Berlin discovered nuclear fission. The scientists of America were greatly disturbed. Albert wrote a letter to the President of America to apprise him to the extent of destruction the atom bomb could cause. His views was taken very seriously by the President. The atomization of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945 shocked Albert Einstein. He was disturbed by the destruction and mindless use of science. He wrote a letter to the United Nations and suggested the formation of a world government, but his letter bore no fruit. He spent his later days in politics, advocating for world peace and democracy and harmony in the society. He died at the age of 76 in the year 1955. Let's begin everybody now the chapter and question answer discussion. Come on India. Now textbook question answer, chapter and question answer we are going to discuss. Let's begin everybody. Thinking about the text. Number 1, here are some headings of paragraphs in the text. Write the numbers of the paragraphs for each title against the heading. The first one is done for you. Einstein's equation. Number 9, Einstein meet his future wife. Number 7, the making of violinist, number 3, number 3. Mileva and Einstein's mother, number 10. Mileva, a later that launched the arms race, number 15. A desk drawer full of ideas, number 8. And marriage and divorce, number 11. Alright, dear students, let's go forward for next exercise. Question number 2. Who had these opinions about Einstein? Question number 1. He was boring. Who was having this opinion? Einstein's playmates thought that he was boring. Right? He was stupid and would never succeed in life. Who made this statement? Einstein's headmaster thought that he was stupid and would never succeed at anything in life. Number 3. He was a freak. Einstein's mother thought he was a freak. Question number 3. Explain what reasons for the following are: Einstein leaving the school in Munich for good. What was the reason? Let's see. Einstein left the school in Munich for good because he hated the school's regimentation, rules and regulation. Alright? Let's go ahead. Second, Einstein wanting to study in Switzerland rather than in Munich. Number second answer, Einstein wanted to study in Switzerland rather than in Munich because it was a more liberal study. Number 3, Einstein seeing in Mileva and Ellie. Einstein found in Mileva Ellie because she liked him, disapproved of the Philistines or the people who didn't like art, literature or music. Number last, what do these tell you about Einstein? These told about Einstein that he loved freedom, he was liberal and cultured person. Alright, dear students, let's go forward for the next questions. Question number 4, page number 3. Actually, these page numbers I have given for our convenience, and whatever questions are there in your textbook, chapter and textbooks, I have taken all the questions, same question over here. Alright, dear students. Question number 4. What did Einstein call his desk drawer at the patent office and why? Answer. Einstein called his desk drawer at the patent office the Bureau of Theoretical Physics. This is the name he has given. And this was because the drawer was where he used to store his secretly developed ideas. That's why he called it the Bureau of Theoretical Physics. Number 5. Why did Einstein write a letter to Franklin Roosevelt? Einstein wrote a letter to Franklin Roosevelt to warn about bomb effect and also wanted to encourage them to make a bomb to utilize its destruction potential. Question number 6. How did Einstein react to the bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki? Answer. Einstein was deeply shaken by the disaster in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. He wrote a public missive to the United Nations. He proposed the formation of a world government to stop the nuclear weapons. Question number 7. Why does the world remember Einstein as a world citizen? Very important question, dear students. Let's see. Einstein is remembered as a world citizen as much as a genius. Whenever you hear the word genius, means Einstein only, right? Means world citizen as much as a genius scientist because of his efforts towards world peace and democracy and for his crusade against the use of arms. So this is the 7th question. Let's go forward, everybody. Question number 8. Here are some facts from Einstein's life. Arrange them in chronological order. sequence. So answers are given everybody. Let's read the answers. Einstein is born in the German city of Ulm. Einstein attends a high school in Munich. Number three, Einstein's family moves to Milan. Number four, tired of the school's regimentation, Einstein withdraws from school. Number five, Einstein joins a university in Zurich where he meets Mileva. Number six, he works in a patent office as a technical expert. Number seven, Einstein publishes his special theory of relativity. Number 8, he provides a new interpretation of gravity. Number 9, he is awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics. Right, dear students? Let's go forward for the next exercise. Number 10, when Hitler comes to power, Einstein leaves Germany for the United States. Number 11, Einstein writes a letter to US President Franklin D. Roosevelt and warns against Germany's building of an atomic bomb. Number 12, Einstein dies. Thinking about language. Here are some sentences from the story. Choose the word from the brackets which can be substituted for the italicized words in the sentences. Alright, dear students, let's see. A few years later, the marriage faltered. So over here, what is the main meaning of the in the bracket words? Which word is correct? Failed, broke, or became weak? Over here we select became weak. Alright? For this situation actually. Einstein was constantly at odds with people at the university. So what is the correct answer we'll take from here? In disagreement. Yes, correct answer. Third one, the newspaper proclaimed his work as a scientific revolution. So we'll take the correct one, declared. Yes, correct answer. Number 4, Einstein got ever more involved in politics, agitating for an end to the arms build-up. So what correct answer will take? Campaigning. Yes, correct answer, campaigning. At the age of 15, Einstein felt so stiffed, so he left the school for good. So which word is correct? Yes, permanently. 5 years later, the discovery of nuclear fission in Berlin had American physicists in an uproar. What we take? In a state of commotion. Uproar means. Now let's see the seventh one. Seventh one, science wasn't the only thing that appealed to the dashing young man with the walrus mustache. So over here, we'll take the correct word, interested. Alright? Okay, let's go forward. The last page number 6. Exercise second, complete the sentences below by filling in the blanks with a suitable participial clauses. The information that has to be used in the phrases is provided as a sentence in bracket. Number 1, dash the fighters finally put out the fire. So what is the correct answer? Over here, they worked round the clock. Answer is working round the clock. The firefighters finally put out the fire. Right? Second one, she watched the sunset above the mountain. So over here, we want to use she noticed the colors blending softly into one another. Answer, she watched the sunset above the mountain, noticing the colors blending softly into one another. Likewise, you want to use. Right? Sentence number 3. The excited horse pawed the ground rapidly. You want to use while it neighed continually. The excited horse pawed the ground rapidly neighing continued. Number 4, dash I found myself in Bangalore instead of Banaras. Number 4 answer, having taken the wrong train, I found myself in Bangalore instead of Banaras. Number 5, dash I was desperate to get to the bathroom. Answer, having not bathed for 2 days, I was desperate to get to the bathroom. Number 6, the stone steps dash needed to be replaced. Answer, the stone steps being worn down needed to be replaced. Number 7, the last one, the actor received hundreds of letters from his fans. Dash. Answer, the actor received hundreds of letters from his fans asking him to send them his photograph. Alright, dear students, till now, namaskar and have a good day.